Subtle tone variations is the secret ingredient behind professional color grading that feels natural rather than edited. How to explore subtle tone variations. Launch Photoshop and place your image on a canvas sized near 2,000 pixels, then convert it into a smart object so adjustments remain flexible. Add a curves adjustment layer and make very small point changes to slightly brighten highlights and gently deepen shadows without dramatic contrast. Introduce a color balance adjustment layer and nudge tones by tiny increments so shifts remain delicate. Lower opacity to blend the effect realistically and use a mask with